So I don't know if I can see these people again tomorrow. Because all I want to do tomorrow is sleep.
What is... Uy, muli na si JP sa Monday. Dapat wala yung mag-sleep.
Ba't yan na lang ko? Hello people! So now I'm on my way to Gaisano Mall of Davao because Rick, Nico and I will gonna have a dinner together, and after that magkakape kami kasi kikitain namin yung friend namin from Cebu. Then yung friend namin na yun guys, na-meet din namin siya sa TikTok, and this is the first time nakikitain namin yung isa't isa. That's why I'm very excited, so stay tuned. And yung arrival niya here in Davao City is at 8. Pero magdi-dinner muna kami nila Rick. Actually late ako guys kasi yung call time namin is 7:30 and now it's 7:34 and I'm still on my way. Pero sige lang kasi the first time Rick and I met, late din naman sila ng 40 minutes. So Rick, Nico, pag napanood nyo to, gumaganti lang ako. Tingnan nyo yung nag-piss ng isang api. Just kidding. Hi Nico! My singer friend! My singer teaching friend! Chad! Yo!
Sa Laksa Brazen.
Hello!
Our Casanova friend.
Dapat nag-yellow ko. Blue, red, white. Dapat yellow. Yes. So, we are on our way to Starbucks. Yay! Kakatapos na namin mag-dinner guys. And yeah, unfortunately umulan pero tuloy ang laban. Diba?
Kanang gusto mo mag-food vlogger, no? Pero at the same time, makatawa sa mga ginabuhat mo. Hindi na ako kaya.
Lagi. Say hi, Chad. So, I'm with Rick.
Yay, hi!
My singer teacher friend. And Nico. Ito ang light. Yan. And Chad. My Shayulong Bao friend. He's at the front seat. Later we'll show him. We'll show you guys him. Tama ba akong grammar? Oh my god, the grammar is not grammaring. So we're here at Starbucks. Nagko-coffee kami. We're still waiting for our friend. They're on our way. Ayan po sila guys. Dapat talaga nag-yellow talaga ako. Yun talaga dapat eh. Yan. Naka-red, naka-blue, naka-white. So dapat ako naka-yellow. Ha? Wala. Ano magpangita? Nandito ang waffle. Gusto ka? Palitante ka.
Paano mo peped? Waffle na lang kay short coat ka nang lang ang lasa.
Ang
tiramisu cake wala.
ang sugar pag yun sa waffle kaya ka na mukha gani.
Syrup gani. Kung dili ko to ikaw
Yeah. After ato nag-tonsillitis ka. Tamis kaayo. How's the trip, guys? Actually, they are not from Davao, guys. He's from Manay, Davao Oriental, and from Agusan. So they traveled here in Davao. Hi, Kakay! Sana ang lumpia at ang pansit.
Kasi story yan, no? Wala na.
Live pag gusto natin sa ato, yung ay birthday sa amo.
Oh. Chad.
Gusto ko siya lumpiya.
He's here! Kokoy De Santos is here! Fresh from Cebu na ni Maho pagtuslubuan. Hi, Axel! How's your flight? So hi guys, it's day 2 ngayon and hindi na kami nakapag-video kahapon guys kasi sinulit namin yung time together because that was the first night na dumating si JP dito sa Davao. So, you know, we just spent time, you know, catching up. nagchichika kami dun sa coffee shop. And now guys, makikita na naman kami. We're just finalizing kung saan talaga kami magkikita now. And as you can see, I'm prepared kasi kakatapos lang namin sa Derm Edge na event, yung sa InMode Triton nila. So watch it sa isang video ko guys. And now, I'm just waiting kung saan ba talaga kami and we'll see what will happen. Actually guys, sobrang pagod talaga ako guys. Kasi imagine na, kahapon ganito yon. Diba, nagkita-kita kami, ganyan-ganyan, nag-usap-usap kami sa Starbucks. Tapos pag uwi ko sa bahay, nag-live pa ako. Nag-TikTok live pa ako, ganun. Tapos, plano ko na sana matulog, pinanood ko yung videos. So yun nangyari guys, I attempted to edit it. Nawili ako sa pag-edit guys. Enjoy ako sa pag-edit, ganyan-ganyan, ganito, lagay-lagay ng mga ganap-ganap sa video. Hindi ko na-check guys. Yung time pala is 10 a.m. na. Imagine guys, 10 a.m. na di pa ako natulog guys. And I woke up at around 1, diretso agad. Ligo, ganyan, prepare, punta dito kina Alpha for the Derm Edge event. Wala pa akong tulog guys. And time check, it's 9:11. At kikitain ko pa yung mga friends ko guys. Welcome to Davao. Hey, thank you. Say hi, people! So guys, time check, it's 1:35 in the morning and we're still here at Basements. We're from the grid and we transferred here sa basement, guys. Actually, we're here because it's JP's birthday. From Cebu! Isa pa akong taong ubas ngayon. It's Tang Grapes flavor. Okay, back to normal. Yes. I want Prada. Yeah. Bakit tayo naman magkamang naulipan?
Wala kay Choy.
Time check, it's
That will be your
Yeah,
new
I
love
dapat
language.
3 a.m.
3 yan,
Yeah.
Shadi! Kadugay ba?
It's 3 a.m. guys. Rick is here.
Yeah, I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
11:50.
And Nick is here. Ron, come here.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi guys.
Guys, imagine.
Imagine
I slept
guys,
for 2 hours.
diba? Nakaya niya yun.
And I
Guys.
socialized with different types of people from 4 p.m. And now it's 3 a.m. I'm still alive. But I'm so tired, guys.
Guys, bad influence sila. Ako lang yung mabait dito.
I'm so tired. All I want is to hug my pillow and go to sleep. My gosh. And JP
Hello.
is my friend sa Cebu.
Yes, the bestie.
Who's not
Kaya
coming
lagi-lagi
back
pa dyan,
to
no?
Cebu. Huh?
No?
Yeah.
Samis and then Cebu and Davao.
Yeah. It's Kokoy De Santos in the house. Ay. So I don't know if I can see these people again tomorrow. Because all I want to do tomorrow is sleep.
Uy, muli na si JP sa Monday. Dapat wala mag-sleep. Dapat wala mag-sleep.
na lang ko.
What if? Ay, Zos! Once in a lifetime.
Ang mamatay.
Ang mag-meet.
So,
Wala
guys,
man
we're
may
walking.
Video sinabuntag. Puro gabi among video.
And I really don't know kung asad kami ngayon.
You can ma-appreciate mo siya for
Gabiin na.
hindi for ano lang like kalma kayo ang pandito picture ano.
Oh,
Pero pag
kalma.
abot og gabi dami mo
Baby, kalma.
party.
Adto naman naman gabi, pero kanang hapon maka na.
Pero bitaw, I'm so happy that you visited Davao.
Kinsa mag-Cebu pag uli.
Yeah. Pero alalahanin mo, di ka na makakauwi ng Cebu. Hindi, naka-persona non grata siya sa Cebu, guys.
Personal grata.
Naka-persona non grata siya sa Cebu. Uy. Bestie. How's Davao so far?
Good.
How's your flight? Good.
Pag-go na daw yung tama balik sa taman.
So, ayun na nga, guys. Hindi na naman kami nakapag-video after day 2 namin. Kasi yung nasa utak lang po namin, guys. Gusto na namin umuwi kasi sobrang pagod na po. Guys, pagod na po kami na. Imagine 3 a.m. pa lang, di pa kami nakauwi. Nasa daan pa kami naglalakad, di ba? Sobrang enjoy kami ng time na yun, guys. Like, you know, nung day 1, nung pagkarating ni JP dito, nag-meet kami sa coffee shop. Tapos yun, usapan lang, ganito. Chill usapan kasi syempre, nasa coffee shop kami nun, di ba? Tapos, pagka second day, nag-bar kami. Nagwalwal po kami. Tapos yun na. Doon po lumabas yung mga talent namin sa pagsasayaw, guys. Naging dancer po kami bigla doon. And we are so happy kasi sa second day, andun, nagpakita si Ron at si Doc Pao. Sila po yung hinihintay namin, guys. Kasi nakailang meet na po kami nang wala sila. Especially si Doc Pao. Doc Pao, if you're watching this, Doc Pao, that shouldn't be the last time that you will show yourself to us, okay? Dapat mapapakita ka pa sa amin. Knowing taga Davao ka lang din, di ba? Etong part na ng video, guys, will be just about sharing with you guys how amazing this friendship is. Kasi, di ba, who would have thought na sa TikTok live lang kami nagkikita from different parts of Davao, from different parts of Mindanao, tapos may mga taga Visayas pa. Tapos, nag-meet kami sa isang live. And then after that, gumawa na kami ng GC. Tapos eto, ngayon, di ba? Who would have thought na these people I met online or I met virtually, dadating yung panahon na magkakaroon ako ng chance to have time with them in person na talaga. I was able to meet Kakay din, and she was so cute. And I guess she's the youngest sa amin. She's 21 ata. Yeah, parang she's 21. Unfortunately, guys, hindi pa kami complete. Kasi may 3 pong hindi nakapunta, guys. May 3 hindi nakapunta. Si Janjan from Baganga, si Vincent from Jensan, at saka my bestie Paulo, guys, from Usamis. Well, sila naman, understandable naman, kasi si Janjan, he's so busy sa business niya. Si Vincent naman nag-aaral, tapos si bestie Paulo, he's in law school. But I'm really hoping na dumating na yung panahon na magiging complete na kami. Kasi, diba lang, ang amazing lang na JP from Cebu pumunta ng Davao, tapos nag-hangout kami together ng friends namin, and it's fun. Like, grabe talaga, it's so amazing. Like, pagkasama ko sila, guys, there's no down moments talaga, parang tawanan talaga lahat, as in, like, alam mo yung pare-pares kami ng wavelength lang. Kaso, unfortunately, guys, kasi supposedly dapat si JP, he stayed here in Davao for 4 days. Nung first day niya, of course, nakita kami, yun yung nag-Starbucks kami. Tapos, yung second day niya, yung nag-party kami. Eh, di ba nga sobrang pagod na pagod kami, especially ako. So, nung third day, guys, mas pinili na lang po namin na magkanya-kanya na muna at magpahinga. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod po talaga nung mga araw na yun. And on the 4th day, that's the day na JP will be going back to Cebu. And unfortunately na naman is hindi naman kami nagkita kasi na-busy na naman yung people. Wala, busy lang kami. Joke lang. So yun, na-busy nga kami. Pero, guys, nung nasa airport na si JP, tinawagan ko siya. Tinawagan ko siya na ganito, we were able to see each other on your last day. Sana naman nahatid ka namin sa airport or ano ba. Or sana naman lang kumain tayo. But of course, that's not gonna be the last. For sure, we will be meeting. We will be meeting each other soon. Diba? So, yeah. I'm so excited ulit na makasama yung mga TikTok live friends ko. I cannot wait kasi ayun mo yun yung every time na nakikita ko sila in person, parang it's a whole new experience. May excitement talaga kasi alam mo magiging masaya. Bestie JP, I hope you enjoyed your stay here in Davao. Sana naman at natuwa ka na sana naman nasulit mo yung stay mo dito sa Davao. Sana naman nag-enjoy ka ng kasama kami. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Ayan, so just like this video. Wow, vlogger! But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye-bye!